The world of hip-hop glitters with fame and fortune, but beneath the surface, shadows often lurk. And for some, the line between street anthems and federal indictments can become terrifyingly thin. What happens when the lyrics that built an empire are twisted into alleged evidence, and the full weight of the justice system comes crashing down? For Lil Durk, this isn't just a song, it's a battle for his freedom, and the whispers are growing louder every day. The charges arrayed against Lil Durk paint a grim picture, one that extends far beyond the realm of music. We're not just talking about controversial verses here. The accusations reportedly delve into the murky depths of organized criminal activity. Authorities are said to be building a case alleging that Durk was more than just a chart-topping artist, but the guiding hand behind a formidable enterprise involved in serious acts. The specifics are chilling, suggesting a level of orchestration that could carry devastating consequences if proven. This isn't a simple dispute. It's a high-stakes confrontation with forces that could silence his music permanently. The narrative being woven by prosecutors is one of a powerful figure who allegedly pulled strings in a dangerous game. At the heart of this legal storm is the explosive issue of Lil Durk's own words. His lyrics? The prosecution is reportedly scrutinizing his music. It's not as artistic expression, but as a potential roadmap to alleged crimes. Are these raw, unfiltered stories from the streets, or, as some investigators might claim, confessions hidden in plain sight? This debate is a critical front in Durk's fight, with his creative output being dissected for supposed admissions of guilt or evidence of a criminal lifestyle. The implications are staggering, sending a shiver down the spine of the entire music industry, where gritty storytelling is a celebrated art form. But the question remains, where does art end and alleged reality begin? The situation takes an even darker turn with persistent rumors of witness intimidation. Reports claim that individuals connected to the case, possibly even witnesses or their family members, have faced threats. It's been said that pressure is being applied in the shadows, a desperate alleged attempt to silence those who might speak out. If these allegations hold any truth, they transform an already serious case into a potential inferno. Such actions, if proven, could obliterate any chance of a favorable outcome for Durk, painting a picture of someone who would go to any length to obstruct justice. The air is thick with these unconfirmed reports, adding another layer of menace to an already volatile situation. Investigators seem to be leaving no stone unturned in their pursuit of a conviction, mounting what appears to be a relentless campaign to portray Lil Durk as a central figure in a dangerous web. The prosecution is reportedly piecing together a complex puzzle, using everything from alleged surveillance footage and financial trails to the testimony of former associates. And of course, those controversial song lyrics and private communications are said to be under an intense microscope. It's a classic federal strategy. Overwhelm the defense with a mountain of purported evidence, making it clear they believe Durk is not just a casual participant, but a key player who orchestrated events from the top. Adding to the intrigue is the rumored existence of an unreleased track, a song allegedly seized by authorities that is said to contain explosive material. Whispers suggest these lyrics are so damning, so specific, that they could be a game-changer in the case. What secrets does this hidden song supposedly hold? Is it an unvarnished account of events, or something that could be catastrophically misinterpreted? The mystery surrounding this unreleased music only fuels the speculation and intensifies the drama, with many wondering if this secret song will become the smoking gun prosecutors are searching for. The suspense is palpable. As fans and critics alike await to see if these unheard verses will ever see the light of day or a courtroom. Faced with this onslaught, Lil Durk's legal team is reportedly gearing up for an epic battle. Rumors suggest they are employing an aggressive defense, possibly challenging the legality of how evidence was obtained, or fighting to have the entire case dismissed on procedural grounds. There's talk of bold, perhaps even unconventional, legal maneuvers aimed at dismantling the prosecution's narrative piece by piece. It's a high-stakes gamble, a true test of legal skill and strategy against a formidable and determined opponent. Will their efforts be enough to navigate these treacherous waters? Or are they facing an unwinnable war against the full might of the federal government? The courtroom is set to become a battleground, where careers and freedom hang in the balance. The road ahead for Lil Durk is undeniably perilous. If the scales of justice tip against him, the consequences are monumental, the prospect of years behind bars, a career built from the ground up potentially shattered, and the profound impact on his family and his legacy. The weight of these possibilities is immense, casting a long shadow over his every move. This case also sends ripples throughout the hip-hop community, raising uncomfortable questions about the fine line artists walk when their lives and lyrics become entangled with the law. The uncertainty is a heavy burden, a constant reminder of just how much is on the line. As the legal drama unfolds, the final verse of Lil Durk's story is yet to be written. Is this a calculated takedown of a successful black artist, where creativity is criminalized and street narratives are used as weapons? Or are these accusations the unavoidable outcome of a life allegedly lived too close to the dangers often depicted in his music? The truth, as it often is, may be buried deep beneath layers of speculation, legal maneuvering, and the deafening roar of public opinion. One thing is certain: the world is watching, waiting to see how this high-stakes saga will conclude, leaving everyone to ponder the intricate dance between art, reality, and the long arm of the law.